Hey there, fashionistas! Summer is finally here and it's time to take our wardrobes to the next level. But let's face it, sometimes it can be challenging to style the latest summer fashion trends. Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'm going to show you how to incorporate the hottest summer fashion trends into your daily wardrobe without breaking the bank. First up, let's talk about the must-have accessories of the summer. Oversized sunglasses are a perfect accessory to add to any summer outfit. They not only protect your eyes from the sun but also add a touch of glamour to your look. Plus, they are perfect for those days when you just don't feel like putting on any makeup. Another accessory that screams summer is a straw hat and a raffia bag. They are not only stylish but also practical for the beach. Pair them with a cute sundress or a pair of denim shorts for a relaxed summer vibe. Speaking of sundresses, they are the ultimate summer staple. From floral prints to solid colors, sundresses come in all shapes and sizes. Pair them with sandals or wedges, and you're ready to hit the town or the beach. And for those dressier occasions, try a printed shirt and linen pants. This look is comfortable yet stylish, and perfect for a summer night out with friends or a date night with your significant other. Lastly, let's talk about swimsuits and cover-ups. A stylish swimsuit and cover-up are essential for any beach or pool day. You can layer the cover-up over your swimsuit or wear it as a dress for a chic beach look. Well, there you have it, folks. Those were some easy and fun ways to incorporate the hottest summer fashion trends into your daily wardrobe. Remember, fashion should be fun and expressive, so don't be afraid to mix and match different pieces and experiment with your style. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fashion tips and tricks. Also, let us know in the comments below which summer fashion trend is your favorite. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.